Rounded videos are viral right now, and you can create one in CapCut in under a minute. So first you have to open up your CapCut and create a new project. Now import the video you just want to use, and here we have to import our video and drag it onto the timeline. Next, select your video clip and go to the mask section. Now click Add Mask and you will see several mask options. You can use a circle mask to make the video fully round, or if you want just the four corners rounded, just select the rectangle mask. Adjust the mask to fit your video perfectly. Now scroll down in the mask section to find round corner. Now drag the slider to the right and you will see the four corners become rounded. Another quick option, you can use the round shape preset in CapCut. This automatically rounds all four corners of your video. Now to make your video look even better, add a background layer and keep your main video on top. Now place the background in the second layer and adjust as needed. And now when it's okay, finally export your video and go to the folder where you saved it. And here you will see your final rounded video ready to share. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.